You're listening to Radio Long Island City, recorded at our studios near Hell Gate, 9 kilometers north of the Harbor Hill Moraine. And now, a special bulletin from the Observatory. Monday, the 23rd of February, 2026, 9 a.m. We are still in full blizzard conditions. The snow continues to fall steadily over the city. As of 7:30 a.m., the National Weather Service reported 15.1 inches of snow in Central Park and LaGuardia Airport, and 15 inches at JFK. Snowplows have clearly been out through the night, and most of the roads in Astoria are fairly clear of snow. The sidewalks and streets are largely empty of people and cars, although shopkeepers and superintendents and homeowners can be seen digging out sidewalks. The travel ban for non-emergency vehicles remains in place in New York City until noon. If anyone needs a city warming center to stay out of the cold and storm, Long Island City High School has been open since 7 p.m. last night and will stay open until 8 p.m. tonight. It is located at 1430 Broadway, which is between 14th and 21st Streets. We leave you with this thought from Henry David Thoreau. To us, snow and cold seem a mere delaying of spring. How far we are from understanding the value of these things in the economy of nature. Please stay warm and dry. This has been a special bulletin from the Observatory.